Hi everyone, on this tip and trick video I'm going to show you how you can export your reports into live Excel. So I'm going to access our reporter module from the job site portal. I know some of you do that, some of you also access it from the core application and others access it directly from the reporter link. So either's fine, but for this particular demonstration I'm going to show you how we do it from the job site portal. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the reporter link and it's going to bring me into my report list. So I'm going to go ahead and find the report that I would like to make live and refreshable. So I'm going to pick the current on rent by project report. And I'm going to go ahead to the data tab. I'm going to enter my company details and I can run this for a specific project code. So if I'm going to look for the data for project 1000, I can go ahead and hit the button, launch that report. So you can see now that the report is actually launched. So I only really need to do this once. So if you've set up a brand new report or you've built yourself a new report, you can go into the report module, run it once, and then at the top right, you've got the export results button. So if you click on that, you can see it brings you up a list of options into which you can choose on how to export that. So right at the bottom you can see, and this is Reporter 4, it might be a slightly different look and feel in Reporter 5, but the options are still there for you. Live Excel spreadsheet. So I'm going to go ahead and export that as a live Excel. And that will go away. Okay, so that's now exported. You may get this little message come up from Microsoft Security Notes, but you can hit the enable button on there, and then what it's going to do is ask you for your company number, and you can choose to use that value reference on any future reports. And then I'm going to enter the project code for this specific report run, and then it will go away, fetch the data, and generate it into the live Excel. So there you go, you now have the report. And then you can save that, so the usual save file, save as function, save it to your desktop. Then you don't have to keep going into Reporter via the job site portal, via Core, or directly. You can just go directly to that report saved on your desktop without accessing any of the applications to do so. And then when you need to refresh it, so maybe you want to go in and refresh that data every day or every hour, you just do the usual in Excel, go to the data tab and hit the refresh all button, and that will go ahead and refresh the cells. And there you go, there's your live Excel report.